Facts about Irish K-drama explained, the secretive nuclear operation depicted in the series, Part 5, the long version. Firstly, most images in the video are taken from the website IMBD. So, in the secretive nuclear operation, so-called North Korean terrorists had infiltrated into South Korea and were trying to decode the nuclear infrastructure. But the latest update was that some traitors had been caught. And yes, those traitors, mostly in South Korea, were working against the national security of their own country. And while they had been expelled, but then suddenly out of nowhere, a series of mass resignations had started among the North Korean special forces, or the so-called North Korean nuclear terrorists. The first one to resign obviously was Kim Hyun-joon, the main male protagonist, who himself was also a South Korean. He had only joined this group to take revenge against a corrupt traitor boss, but then also he had understood what was right and why a nuclear blast would have been catastrophic to almost everyone. Then Kim Sun-hwa, a prominent military woman from North Korea, Kim Sun-hwa, she also had resigned. While she had worked with the main male protagonist in operations in northern Japan, she also, being North Korean as well, understood why a nuclear blast would have been bad for everyone. And in fact, some ministers inside North Korea opposed this nuclear operation. It was definitely not this minister as he was the mastermind, but I couldn't find picture of that minister who had opposed. Maybe he was this one and he is described as being handsome looking. Then Park Chul-young, the man leading this operation, he also had resigned for similar reasons. Now despite these mass resignations, the nuclear terrorists were still trying to work their way to make a blast in the city center, but it was just that now the National Security Service could continue their operations uninterrupted without any traitors from the inside obstructing the investigation. But then soon, would have the nuclear bomb detonated, or the nuclear bomb detonation would have been averted and safety would have come in the way. This is to be continued in part 6. Thanks.